in holy attire. The Lord will bless His people with peace. The voice of the Lord is over the waters. The Lord over vast waters. The voice of the Lord is mighty. The voice of the Lord is majestic. The Lord will bless His people with peace. The God of glory thunders, and in His temple all say glory. The Lord is enthroned above the flood. The Lord is enthroned as King forever.